This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add comments in JavaScript. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I have VS Code opened up and I'm working on a JavaScript file. To add a comment in JavaScript, there's two different ways to do it. There is a single line comment and a multi-line comment. The way to do a single line comment, I'm going to add a comment right up here. All you need to do is start off with 2 backslashes and then add your comment. That is a single line comment. As you can see, this is kind of grayed out up here. It is not read by the browser. It's simply placed there for anybody looking at the code. Now to add a multi-line comment, I say that I wanted to comment out this entire stretch of code here. I could go through each of these lines and add a double backslash in front of each of these lines to comment all of it out, or I'm going to put my mouse cursor in the front, I'm going to do a backslash, I'm going to do an asterisk, and then I'm going to go to the end of that, I'm going to do another asterisk and another backslash. Now that whole chunk of code there has been commented out. That is how to add a comment in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.